Hey guys, it's Madness Nailite here. I'm sorry, my brother or someone in my house is taking a shower. The bathroom's right next to me, so you could probably hear me too. Yeah, so anyways, I'm back to you with another video today. So I'm going to create a look with the ABH Norvina palette. I already played with it a lot because I tried to film this video like a lot too. It's very pretty. Hold on. Uh-oh. It may come off a little pink because my lighting for some reason in my room comes off pink. But here it is. I won't flash you with the mirror. It's very pretty. It does have some greens and stuff and a lot of oranges and reds. So today I think I'm gonna go a little more subtle than I tried last time. I gotta grab some brushes here. Oh wait. Well, first of all, I already did my base, so we should focus on my face first. Alright, so I use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. Right there. And then I use my NYX Day But Not Flat. And I use my CoverGirl Invisible Concealer. And then I use my Ulta Beauty setting spray to set my powder foundation, and then I used Revolution Makeup Luxury Baking Powder. Alright, so let's quickly do our face. So I'm taking my BH Cosmetics No. 1 brush, and I'm just going to contour, so we're just gonna Alright, and then let's get this side. Alright, let's blend that out then. Okay, perfect. Alright. So let's go over that with some bronzer. Then I'm using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush in No. 2. Or it's their brush, No. 2. And their festival set. Okay. Alright, and then let me blend that in. I totally forgot to tell you what brush this is. This is the BH Cosmetics No. 3 brush. Oh no, that's my highlight brush. Oh my gosh. Sorry, this is the BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush. Let's blend out our bronzer then. Sorry, oops, I'm looking off to a mirror. Alright, let's put on some blush then. I think I'm going to take my blush brush, and then this is the BH Cosmetics No. 2. And then from September's Ipsy Bag, we're going to take Ofra and Madison Miller, her blush, and All I Need Is Love. It's a nice, pretty color, and it's very fall-like. And then, since it's really pigmented, I'm only going to take a little. Just like that. So we're just gonna add a little. And I'm just gonna go in lightly again, just to get some color in there, and then we're gonna blend that out as well. Yep, using the same brush I've been using to blend out and everything. I think everything looks all blended out then. Alright, so I'm debating adding highlighter. I think I'm going to use the Laritzy highlighter. And then I kind of like the rose gold color. It's very pretty. Alright. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more to make it really pop, and then we're gonna set it with my Makeup Revolution Pro HG Amplified Get Baked. Okay. I think that's all good for blending out. Always the cap. Guys, I am missing the cap. Oh, there it is. Alright, I got it. Okay, so let's take our highlighting brush here. I'm gonna put these back then. And we're gonna go into this beautiful palette right here. I'm gonna go into Glisten, and then we're gonna go over the Lortzy highlighter just to set it in place. And I'm just gonna go over it again. Very pink today. Pink and purple, I should say. Oh my god, what is on my palette? Okay, let's get right into it as soon as I put some eye primer on. Alright, so, oops. I'm just gonna prime one eye for now. So we're just gonna take, I think I put too much, but it's okay. So, we're just going to put that all over our lid and then in our crease area. Thinking of recreating the look I did last. Man, I used too much. Okay, I'm actually going to prime my other eye and then I'm gonna set them both. I think that's pretty blended in. Okay. I'm not wearing my contacts. I'm kind of blind. Alright, so I'm gonna grab a few brushes so I know we're gonna use this one. And then I'm gonna take my blending brush. I'm gonna take another blending brush. Probably another blending brush, and to top it off, another one. Oh. Yeah, okay. And then I did buy the Anastasia Beverly Hills A16. That was for $10 with my palette. Ooh. It's so pretty. Okay. So, I'm probably going to wear this to work and it's going to make my eyes itch, but it's okay. Alrighty. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this light orange shade at the top. I think it's A2. So we're just gonna take that on this Beige Cosmetics number 5 brush, and then I'm going to put that in my crease area. I'm not gonna bring it up that high today like I did in my last videos. Okay, and then I'm going to take E4 down here. This is the yellow color right there. And then I am just going to also put that in my crease to blend out the orange. I don't think I'm going to use the red today. I like this palette. It's very, very pigmented. Okay, and then I'm going to blend that out with the Beach Cosmetics number 6 brush, so let's do that. So we can blend the yellow and the orange together. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I forgot to do my eyebrows. I didn't set this eye. So, just going to do that then. It's not filling in that one spot right there. Okay, we're gonna move on to the other eyebrow. Give her some shape. Okay, now we looking good. Oh, right. I'm sorry. So, I'm gonna blend this out some more then, actually. Alright. And then, I think what I'm gonna do is take E5 down here. That purple color right there. Actually, I think I'm, going to take D4, which is that, it's somewhere. Alright, so we're going to take this on an Eco Tools brush then. Let me see what that looks like on the lid. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow. So I'm gonna go back in with my crease color then. So we're gonna go back into A2 and then we're just gonna go over this area. I didn't know that the color on my lid is gonna blend in with the orange that I put on my crease. Or it looks like it from here, but it's okay. I mean, I think it looks pretty. Alright, I'm going back in that yellow then. Alright, and then we're going to blend that all out once again. Alright, and then I'm going to do the other eye off camera with eyeliner and everything. So I will see you later. Alright guys, so this is what I look like with my eyeliner. I know it's not perfect, but that's okay. And then I use my BH foil eyes on my inner corner and then under my eyebrows as well. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I put my thumb over the camera. Today we're gonna apply the Anastasia New York All Day Lip Cream. And then this is in the color Thame Street. Oh, and then I'm gonna set my face, so oh god. Got in my eyes, but it's okay guys. I did take off my setting powder, so I think that's all good then. And then I'm going to put my lip gloss on. Wow, look at that. And this one I'll give away from Winky Lux. I will show you my whole collection actually. So this one I used is Coffee Glaze, and then it's from Winky Lux. Winky Lux, like I said. Winky Lux, oh my gosh. And then I have this one, I think this is, hold on. Sugar Glaze. I was gonna say coconut glaze, I don't know why. This one is Cherry Glaze. And then this one is purple, I think this is Berry Glaze. And then this one is Candy Glaze, and it's hot pink and I love it. Although I'm looking at this one and I'm thinking it's more light pink than it is actually a nude color. So yeah. Alrighty. So then, got my double chin and my messy room, sorry guys. This is my finished look today. So don't forget to subscribe and then like and comment down below. Alright, bye!